Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Waterfall enrichments to find work emails. You don't need to use one provider to do that. First, let me briefly explain why we need this. The more emails you have, the more cold email campaigns you can run. Of course, the more email campaigns you run, the more chances you have to get positive responses. And finally, the more positive responses you get, the more you increase your sales. Okay, as you know, it's a cycle. At Persona, we use three email providers for waterfalls. The first one is Prosper, the second one is Persona Enrichments, and the third one is ICPs. Okay, let's go to my Persona table. You can see their LinkedIn URLs, titles, company name, company website, location, employment history, etc. And in this case, I have a list of outbound agencies in the United Kingdom. And I want to reach outbound agencies that have AI in their services. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is use my AI agent to see if they provide AI services. Okay. So click on Enrich Data, AI Enrichment, and Person AI Agent. Just click on it. And you see this agent, and I will use this prompt: visit company websites and review all the pages using this. Return yes if this keyword AI appears anywhere on the website. Return only yes, don't write the rest of it. Okay, of course you can improve this prompt, but this is enough for me. And save and run for all. You can see some companies use AI, some don't. Okay, and now what I do next is to use waterfall enrichments and find more wallet emails. So click on enrich data and type in waterfall. Click on find work email waterfall, and then you can see this screen, find work email. And first, Prospero will try to find them, try to find emails. If Prospero doesn't find work emails, the waterfall, I will go to Persona Enrichments to find them. If Persona Enrichments doesn't find work emails, and then the waterfall will go to ICPs to find them. All you need to do is to select full name and company name. I only want to reach outbound agencies that have AI on their websites. You remember that? And if I want, I can use the conditional run, writing the formula. So simple. But in this case, I will filter only my rows. Okay. And now you can just save and run for all. And then you can see the screen. Waterfall enrichments are working very well, and also you can see emails such as wallet, ultra sure, or maybe catch-all. But now you can see all emails there. So that's the end. If you need any help setting up these waterfall enrichments, feel free to reach out to me. See you in the next video.